everyone, this is Tara and I am back again so soon, this time with one more unboxing. So today's unboxing gonna be very special because this bag is one of my wish list bags. So this is one of the special unboxing when you fulfill your wish list, and this is one of my favorite bag too. And yeah, let's go and do the unboxing. So this bag is in this box, and this box come in this big Gucci packet, and along with that they'll give you the invoice in this nice Gucci envelope. So the invoice will be here inside, and I'll discuss about the price also in my video ahead, and we will discuss about this bag. Let's go and do the unboxing first, then we can talk about this bag. So yeah, let's do the unboxing, you guys. Ta-da! Okay, let me remove this like this. Okay, so by my caption now you must be knowing which bag I'm talking about. So are you guys excited like me? So I'll just put this packet a little aside so that it will be easier for me to show you guys my favorite bag. So the bag is inside this cloth bag. So they will give you this cloth bag also to keep your bag protected. So this comes with every bag. So yeah, so this is a cotton cloth bag, and are you guys excited? Here we go. Ta-da! There she is. So you guys, I bought myself Gucci Horsebit 1955 bag in soft leather and in brown color. So you guys, this bag was in my wish list from some time, and I was planning to buy the structured one, and my first preference was the red color, and the red color got discontinued. Then I wanted to buy the black color, and I was about to buy the black color, and within 2 days this new color got launched, and my SA he called me and told me, ma'am, there's a new color, can I show you the pictures? So I said, okay, please send me over the picture. And I like this color so much that I booked this bag on the same day when this color was launched. So this color was launched on 6th March, and I was traveling out of Mumbai. I was going out of Mumbai, but I booked the bag paying the full price, and when I'm back traveling after almost a month, so my SA delivered this bag to my place. So let's go and see inside of the bag. So this is the inside of the bag, you guys. So inside it has two main compartment. I'll show you. Inside it has two main compartment and one zip pocket. Okay, and inside it is linen and one, you can see. So inside, so there's one Gucci stamping here, and there's one Gucci stamping here also. So this is this soft leather version, you guys. So now let me talk about the soft leather version. The one which I wanted to buy was the more structured one. So this is their latest launch in softer version. So softer version is usually the more refined and more improved version of the earlier one. So the leather is now softer. Okay, so yeah, so that is the major difference. And the hardware also this time is light gold. So earlier the leather was more structured and hardware was bright gold, and this time the hardware is very light gold towards silver looking, but it is very light gold. So on the side they have this horsebit detailing and this side also they have the horsebit detailing here, and the bag looks amazing. Why I wanted to go with this color, because the similar color I saw in Hermes also. Hermes also comes with the similar color and the contrast stitching in their Kelly bag. So this caught my attention, and although the black structure one was something I wanted to buy, but when I saw this new brown leather and the contrast stitching, I immediately fell in love with this bag, and I decided to go to buy this bag, not the earlier version, because in the earlier version the leather I think is heavier. This one is lighter, and strap also. Now I'll show you guys the strap. So in this, the strap is also longer than the earlier version, so the similar functioning. So this is how you elongate your bag strap, okay, but the strap this time is longer, you guys, than the earlier one. When I saw all these minor things in an improved version, so I decided to go for the soft leather. So Gucci Horsebit 1955 bag is their very signature and iconic bags, so they have now come up with the improved version called the soft leather one. So the strap is also very long this time, you guys. As you can see, it will give you very good crossbody length. Okay, let me show you. It will come till here. It will give you very good crossbody length. Earlier bag would have come till here only. So yeah, and this color, you guys, the exact color I have seen in Hermes also, and this color is not like their earlier color, because this same horsebit in brown leather was there, which I think almost discontinued now. I'm not sure, maybe you can find in the store, which is more structure. It also says brown leather, but that color is towards tan, and this color is completely brown, similar to the Hermes color. So although it may look same, but it's completely different when you keep these two back together, the earlier version and this newer version. So I'll show you guys the bag in a detailed way. So yeah, this bag, you guys, you can carry as your clutch also, because of the softer structure. It is more easier and nicer to hold this way also. And yeah, I think I have covered almost all the aspect why I bought this bag. And this bag is more improved version. And now let me talk about the price, you guys. So I live in India, Mumbai, India. So I paid 3,15,000 for this bag, which is in the higher side of the pricing. So this one, if you want to go for the older version, which is still available, more structured one, you'll find it in 2,90,000 rupees. And if I talk in USD, I paid this for 3,600 USD. Not exactly 3,600, it is quite higher also if you convert to Indian pricing. So in US you'll find it for 3,600 USD, and India you'll find it for 3,15,000. And if you want to go for the previous tan color, you'll find it in 2,90,000 rupees. So I think I have almost given you all the detail required for this bag. So if you guys want to have the closer look quickly, what caught my eye is the contrast stitching, which looks amazing, and this is not there in the earlier version also. So this is a very new, very beautiful and version of the horsebit. Now Gucci has launched on 6th of March, and I bought this on 6th of March also. So unboxing is coming late because I was traveling. So now let's go and see what all fits in this beauty. So yeah, so okay, let's go ahead and see what all fits in. So what we require when we go out, so our most important thing, essential, is our phone. So let me put the bigger size, a very big size phone, and show you guys if it fits in. If it fits in completely fine. And a card holder. So this is my Louis Vuitton card holder, which is very beautiful. This will also fit in nicely. So let me put three lipstick. One, this is MAC lipstick, then this is Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Dior gloss. So three lipstick will fit in perfectly fine. So I have left with two more compartment now, you guys. And let me see if a perfume bottle fits in. So the perfume, this is the perfume which is my favorite. This is Windflower from Cred, which I bought from Paris. This brand is not yet still available in India. You'll find it in UK, US, and France. Yeah, so this is very beautiful fragrance called Windflower by Cred, and this fits in easily. And let me see if a bigger size wallet fits in. So the bigger size wallet fits in easily, and I'm left with more space, you guys. Let me see if a clutch, if we go out and if we want to tie our hair, if a clutch fits in. The clutch also fits in easily. So I have now stuffed this bag a lot. Let me see how it closes. So it closes perfectly fine, you guys, and the bag is quite heavy now. I know I normally don't carry this much. It is just for a reference. You guys can see how much it fits. Yeah, so that is it. That's it for today, you guys. Do let me know in the comment how you like my new purchase. And yeah, so this bag can be carried on shoulder, crossbody, or as your clutch. So now I have filled this bag so a lot. Still you can close it, but I won't carry this much. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for dropping by, you guys. Drop me a comment and let me know how you guys like this bag, and you still own the similar one from the more structured and version. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel, because that will give me encouragement to make more unboxing videos, because I make so many unboxing videos. I'm a big shopaholic. My videos are not sponsored. I buy all my things and share the joy with my beautiful YouTube subscriber. So my channel is all about unboxing what I buy, because I'm a big shopaholic and I love to buy stuff. And go check out the other unboxing videos on my channel and do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good one. Bye all.